Ever had a piece of equipment let you down at the worst possible moment? This alloy steel excavator joystick controller, part number 410113-124, promises to be the solution for your LH3 assembly, and honestly, it's got some serious potential. It arrived feeling surprisingly substantial for its compact size, which immediately gave me confidence. The installation process was a breeze. It's lightweight and designed to fit right in, so you won't be wrestling with it for hours. What really impressed me was how well it matches the original equipment. They manufactured this based on the original standard, and you can feel that precision. It just slots in perfectly, no forcing, no awkward adjustments. This tight fit is crucial for any operator who relies on their machine's responsiveness. The material itself is a big selling point. It's made from premium alloy steel, which means it's built to last. The description mentions it's anti-aging and fracture-resistant, and holding it, you can tell it's not some flimsy plastic imitation. This is a controller that's meant to endure the tough conditions of a construction site, day in and day out. For anyone dealing with a worn-out or damaged original joystick, this is an ideal replacement. It's the standard size, making the swap straightforward, and it's designed to bring your LH3 assembly back to its full operational glory. While it's specifically for the LH3 assembly, the quality of construction suggests it could handle a lot of demanding work. It's not just about replacing a broken part, it's about upgrading to something more durable and reliable. This joystick controller feels like a solid investment for anyone looking to keep their heavy machinery running smoothly and efficiently. It's a simple upgrade, but one that can make a significant difference in daily operations. Overall, this alloy steel joystick controller is a robust and well-made component. It offers an easy installation, a precise fit, and the durability you'd expect from a premium alloy steel build. It's a fantastic option for replacing old or damaged joysticks on the LH3 assembly, promising enhanced reliability and longevity.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.